Так, чё, как настроение? Готовы побеждать? На 100%? А почему оранжевый цвет?
Просто нам так захотелось.
Захотелось выглядеть ярко. Значит, танец у вас тоже будет ярким, фееричным. Есть мечта у вас, связанная с танцами?
Можно не рассказывать мечту, да? Можно мечту не рассказывать, а то не сбудется.
А, да, так даже? Ну, хорошо, давайте мы не будем знать, пусть это будет сюрпризом для нас. Когда-нибудь, все-таки тебя где-нибудь увижу и скажу, а я знаю твою мечту, она сбылась, вот я тебя вижу, допустим, в Америке. Мало ли, вдруг это твоя мечта, кто его знает. Окей, я вам желаю удачи. Пусть все пройдет гладко и легко. Не волнуйтесь. Вы же не первый раз выступаете? Really? Это первое выступление у вас? Значит, у вас еще нет пока кубков, побед никаких? Блин, тогда я буду заболеть за вас. Все, удачи вам, идите, побеждайте.
On my lips, take a little sip, privacy on the door, I'ma make this shit grip. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's good pipe. That bitch, I'ma ride a dick all night. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's good pipe. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. New wrist, new whip. Right around dipped, I can see why all these basic hoes pissed. Bust down wrist, not a bust down bitch. Said I want your man, no the fuck I don't sis. See a rich nigga, why he still hitting licks? Nigga spinning bread, but he still can't hit. Bitch, please. Lamborghini keys, pussy dripping ice, he get flown out to me. Bitch, please. I want a man with the bees, pussy from the bag going dumb on a D.
All set.
They do anything for clout, do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. Mom still say what he wants to. Pussy still wet like a big bitch. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Bitches even wanna start fake beef. Just set a little weave in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta purchase to launch. So for being tame, they'd rather be wild. Bitches is brandy, they wanna be down. Soon as these bitches got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit, everybody wanna be rich, everybody wanna be this. If us you, I'll hate me, bitch. Read my problems, like suck my dick. All that talking, I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout, do anything for clout. Bitches is mad, bitches is trash. Ask her the grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt. Ooh, ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Bitch, not from the couch, back.
Bitch, what?